How to redeem Temu promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Firstly, I'm gonna get the promo code for the Temu. So go ahead and open any of these websites. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Temu. Now here you're gonna find great deals and offer, 10% coupon, 30% coupon, $100 coupon, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on show coupon. So here's the code, click on copy. After you copy the code, click on view discount at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your Temu account, select the items that you want to purchase, confirm it, and head towards the checkout page. When you are in the checkout page, over here you will find the section of apply coupon code. Over here you can just paste the code. After you paste the code, click on apply. Then you can click on submit order, and with that your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem Temu promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.